Hello, today I'll be doing an unboxing and demonstration on one of our best-selling speakers, Genius SP-U115. These particular speakers are USB powered and use a 3.5mm audio plug or auxiliary cable. They're particularly popular due to their small size and quality. This particular model comes in black, green and white, blue and black, and red and black. So opening up one of these boxes, you will get the same in each box regardless of the colour. Got your sets of instructions. The speakers will come bubble wrapped and with a film over the front. Okay, so to use these speakers, you need a power source powered by USB. And it doesn't mean the music will come from USB, that's just the power. The music or sound will come from the auxiliary cable. Okay, so I'm going to get our USB plug, our USB cable, plug it into my USB ports. You can either do this on your laptop, your desktop, or you could just use a plug-in USB hub. Okay, so you can see the power's on by the blue lights. We have a volume control switch and we're going to turn this, we'll start with it low and we'll turn it up as we go. I'm going to get my jack or auxiliary cable, and for this purpose I'm using my phone. I've pressed play, the music sound is down, so I'm going to slowly turn it up. So that is a pretty powerful noise for a pair of tiny speakers. Just going to stop that music for a second. You must remember when using these speakers, they are multimedia. Wherever you're getting your sound from, you need to remember to turn the volume up on your laptop, desktop or phone. So you've got two volume controls, one on whatever you're playing music and one on your speakers. A lot of people tend to forget to turn up the music on their speakers or laptop. As I've said before, these speakers are very small and compact. You can see on the box there's the size. You've got 69 times 111 times 70 millimeters, so that is very, very small considering the impact of sound you get out of them, and that's due to it being USB powered rather than just having normal plug-in speakers. Also another reason why they are so popular. These speakers are available on our website refreshcartridges.co.uk. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this video useful.